Hello students, this video is for class 10th. I am teaching you mathematics. This is chapter 13, surface area and volume. This is video number 2. So here I begin. Exercise 13.1, question number 3. The question is, a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to the each of its end. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm and the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Find the surface area. So we have to find the total surface area of the solid. So first of all, we need to understand what is the shape and how can we divide that shape into basic shapes. So the solution is we need to divide the solid, that is given capsule, into some basic solids. So this is the capsule given, whose length is 14 mm and diameter is 5 mm, which is further divided into three parts. See here, this is the radius and this one is also radius. So radius is, say, diameter is given 5 mm, so radius is 5 by 2. Okay, so in this way total length is given 14. 5 by 2 is subtracted from this side and 5 by 2 is subtracted from this side. Remaining is 9 mm. In this way we have divided this solid into three parts. This is first part, this is second part, and this one is third part. These three parts will be added together. If we add curved surface area of these three, we will get the required answers. So here I am starting it. Curved surface area of capsule is equal to curved surface area of two hemisphere on both sides plus curved surface area of the cylinder. So the formulas are 2 into 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r square is the formula of hemispheres, curved surface area of hemisphere, and two hemispheres are there, that's why we are multiplying it with 2, plus 2 pi r h. This is the formula for curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of the capsule is equal to, now I'm putting the values, 2 multiplied by 2 is becoming 4 pi r square. R is 5 by 2, so 5 by 2 multiplied by 5 by 2 plus 2 into pi plus 5 by 2, that is radius, into 9. 9 is the length of the cylinder, height of the cylinder. Okay, so let's calculate further. This 2 is cancelled with this 4, 2, and 2 is again cancelled with 2. And this 2 is again cancelled with this one. Now the remaining part is 22 by 7 into 5 into 5 plus 22 by 7 into 5 into 9. So 5 into 5 will be 25 and 5 into 9 45. So the result is 22 by 7 is pi. Pi into 25 plus pi into 45. So 25 plus 45 will be 70. 75. 70. Pi common. Let's calculate 22 by 7 into 70. So 7 1 is 7, 7 10 is 70. So it is 220 mm square. So this is the answer, which is total surface area of the capsule. Next question is exercise 13.1, question number 8. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter is 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and the same diameter is hollowed. Okay, find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest approximately centimeter square. So let's see what is the shape. Solution is, this is the given solid cylinder, out of which some part is taken out. So this is something conical shape which is taken out from this cylinder, okay, whose height and radius is same. So if we take out this portion out from this, okay, we have taken it out. Now the resultant figure will be this. What will be the resultant figure? This is the resultant figure. Okay, now try to understand what is it. This one is diameter of this space and diameter of this will remain same. So radius of this conical shape is 0.7 and this one is height of the cylinder. So height of the conical shape will also remain same, 2.4 centimeter. So we have to calculate surface area, this is the total, this is curved surface area of cylinder we are talking about, and this is the base, we have to calculate base also, and from inside we need to calculate the circular region. See the conical shape from inside, this is also visible because whatever was it is made of suppose glass, then that part is taken out. So we have to calculate three things. One thing is curved surface area of cylinder, second thing is area of circle base, so this is number 2, and third one is from inner side curved surface area of cone, that is number 3. So if we add this 1, 2 and 3, we will get the required. So here I begin. Total surface area of the solid is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of the cone plus area of the base circular region. Okay, so let's calculate it. These are the formulas. 2 pi r h is the formula for curved surface area of cylinder. Pi rl is the curved surface area of cone, and pi r square is the area of base circle. Now, before we calculate, let's calculate L. With the help of Pythagoras theorem, I am calculating L here. L is equal to 0.7 square plus 2.4 square, because height is given 2.4, radius is given 0.7, so this is 0.49 plus 5.76, it's under root, add them, we will get 6.25, and square root of 6.25 is 2.5 centimeter. So we have calculated length also. L, this is slant height. Okay, h is also known to us and r is also known to us. H, what is the value of h? 2.4 centimeter. What is the value of r? R is equal to 0.7 centimeter. And what is the value of L? L is equal to 2.5 centimeter. In this way we will put all these values, which formula we have already discussed. This is the formula that we have already discussed. The total surface area of the solid is curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone plus area of circular base. And the formulas are 2 pi r h plus pi r l plus pi r square. Put these values in this formula, we will get this. So 2 into pi is 22/7 into 0.7 into 2.4 plus pi r, this is L, pi r l, and next one is pi into r square, pi r square. So to solve this, let's remove the decimal point. Divided by 10 to remove the decimal points. So here I am writing decimal points are removed from this. Okay, now to solve it, this 7 is cancelled with this 7. In the denominator 100 is there, and here also 7 is cancelled with the 7. In the denominator again 100 is there, and here also this 7 is cancelled with the 7, and denominator will be 100 in each case. Now next step is this. After solving, you will get 10.56 from this one. Next is 5.5 from this solution, and then 1.54 from this expression. So we have solved these three expressions and we are getting this, and after adding we will get 17 means 17.60 centimeter square. This is the required answer. So answer of this surface area, total surface area of the solid is 17.60. On the basis of this video, that is part 2, you continue your exercise 13.1, and in the next video you will see more concept of chapter 13, and for practice and doubt classes you can attend my online class. Thank you.